Hey everybody, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Jessica and welcome. In today's video, I just want to share with you what's inside of my thrifted jewelry box. So today's video is in collaboration with Jeulia Jewelry, and I'm also going to show you a couple of new pieces that I received from them. So for the last month or so, I have been on the hunt for a new jewelry box. I came across a lot of interesting ones in my recent thrifting trips. So right now I'm just showing you a few of the options that I came across in my thrifting adventures. Some of these you may have already seen in previous Thrift With Me videos. If you like thrifting videos and thrift hauls, definitely check out some of the other videos on my channel. Here's the jewelry box that I ended up purchasing. I knew it was the right one for me. It was sleek and modern and very simple. I love the color, and it was only $2.99. I found it at my local Goodwill. It looked like it had never been used before. It was so clean inside, so I snatched it up, and now I'm going to show you what I have inside of it. Like I mentioned, the jewelry box is a great quality. I was able to get the price off pretty easy. There was a plastic film over the metal, so it peeled off really easy. So this particular jewelry box is by the Stackers brand, and this particular one retailed for $28, so I was really happy to find this for only $3. I don't have a ton of jewelry, but I do have a lot of rings, and I was happy that this had a lot of ring slots for all of my rings. The first ring that I'm going to show you is a sterling silver ring, and there are 3 aquamarine stones inside. It's really pretty, and I enjoy wearing this piece. The next ring is a blue topaz ring in sterling silver, and my mom gave this to me several years ago, and she also gave me the ring beside it, which is also another blue topaz, and this one is set in 14 karat gold. The next ring that I'm showing you is my wedding band, and this is just a plain band in white gold. The next ring that I'm pulling out is also a sterling silver ring. It's by the company Jeulia, and I recently did a full unboxing and review on this particular ring. I will have it linked above in case you missed it. I love this ring so much that I decided to get the ring that complements this ring. It's also sterling silver, and this is how they look together when they're stacked. And here's a close-up shot. Like I mentioned, they are both sterling silver with simulated diamonds, and I will have them linked below in case you are interested. The next ring that I'm pulling out is also a ring by Jeulia, and this is another new piece that I got from them. It is a sterling silver band with 5 simulated diamonds. They are in an oval shape, and I love this ring. It is so sparkly and beautiful, and I got it to wear on my right hand, and here's what it looks like close up. I will also have this ring linked below. The next ring that I'm showing you is a pear cut rose quartz ring in sterling silver, and I got this off of Etsy. I will link the Etsy shop down below. The ring beside it is my wedding ring, and it's also a pear cut. The next piece that I'm going to show you is a two-toned sterling silver ring with a opal in the middle, and it's shaped like a flower. The next ring that I'm showing you is a trillion-shaped moonstone ring in sterling silver, and it's also made by the same Etsy shop as the pear cut rose quartz ring. And the last ring that I'm showing you is basically the same ring as my pear cut ring. It's also a rose quartz, but it's just a round stone, and it's a little bit more low profile. And then on the other side of the jewelry box, I have a piece of rose quartz, and it's polished and shaped into a heart. I love this, and I just keep it in here. Then I have a Jeulia cleaning cloth. I use this to polish all of my rings. And then I have some random keys that me and my daughter Hannah got at the flea market about a year ago. I'm eventually going to turn these into necklaces. I just haven't got around to doing it yet. The next piece that I'm showing you is a camera pendant that's actually broken. I just keep it in here because it's cute and I don't want to get rid of it. So this is the only necklace that I own. My grandmother gave this to me when I was like 18 or 19. It's just a gold chain with a little heart locket. I think it's 14 karat gold, and I do wear it from time to time. I think it's really pretty. And the last thing in the box that I'm going to show you is a pink ice. And this fell out of one of the rings that I used to own, so I just keep it in here because it looks pretty. So that is everything in my thrifted jewelry box. I hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you so much to Jeulia for partnering with me on today's video. Like I mentioned, I will have the rings that I showed you from them in the description box in case you want to check them out. There's also some coupon codes, so definitely check them out if you are looking for some affordable jewelry. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.